Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset your ALDI US password from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open App Store and search for ALDI US here. Once you've done that, click on this application, download and install it onto your device and click on open. Now, once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the login button right over here and you're going to be taken to this browser right over here. So let's just wait for it a little bit. And click on got it right over here and you're going to be on this page where you want to simply tap on forgot your password. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to ask you to enter your email address. Simply go ahead and enter that and then click on reset my password. They're going to send you an email with the instructions to go ahead and reset your password. All you need to do is simply open your email and then click on that link and it will let you change your password. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.